Say hello to Tito Robin.
Ha?
Tito Robin.
Hello! Tingot ka! Tingot! Tangina! Ay, yay, yay!
Say hello to Tito Robin.
Hello!
What will you say? Yeah.
Ano title?
Mother's Day at Lucas Compound. Say hello to DJ 45.
Padadala ba yan?
Oh, dalagay ko sa
Oy,
YouTube.
pangako mo sa cellphone ha.
Hayop.
Anday ko yun. Pag di mo binigyan, yari ka sa akin.
Next. Pakahingo mo, LA. Ah. Mongoloid. Ah. Mag-hi. Say hi.
Hello, man! Hi!
How about you, Padet? I wanna great. I wanna great. How about you, Nikki? Say hello to Ninong. Boogie, say hello to your brother-in-law. DJ 45.
DJ 45.
Yes.
DJ, wala pa tayong ano dyan. Corona, tsaka ano, yung...
Ay, ginawa mong ano?
Papadala mo ba yan?
Papadala sa YouTube.
Sayang, wala ka, DJ. Mas masaya dito pag nandito ka.
Na.
Taga-setup ng ano, ng sounds.
Siya ngayon ang bagong DJ. DJ Boogie.
Sulat ng mata, gising sa umaga.
Ay.
Bis na!
Say hello muna to your brother.
Hi, Kuya! Hi, Rob. Ikaw lang matanda kayo. Puro puti na buhok ko. Ang TV o sa radyo
Robin,
ay
tolo ka na.
natin.
Say hello to
Tulog
Tito
at
Robin.
bagong
Yay!
step
Tito
na
Robin!
nakakagising. Hihing. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 4 equals 8. Sobrang ang
Peng!
tayo'y
Say hello to Tito Robin. Papadala sa YouTube. Bilis. Bakit? Miyak ka? You are crying? Why? May toyo, si Raven. Ba't umiyak yun? Peng.
Bakit sa YouTube mo lalagay?
Private to private.
Parang private, pwede ba yun?
Oo. Say hello to DJ.
Hi, how are you? Have you received my text? I texted you yesterday. I hope you read it.
I want a great.
No, I'm not that. I want to. What you call it? Wait.
Wait.
Oh, come on. All right. Yeah, right. I want to have your love. Can you give it to me? Because my PC is broken. By the way, how are you, brother? I hope you're fine. You're in good health. And what else? What else is new? You know. Am I pretty there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have lots of white hair.
Oh my god. So how are you? Hope you're fine. It's Mother's Day. Thanks for your greetings. And what else? Hey Direk.
Greetings.
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 Greetings. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. My tongue twisted.
Ah!
Come here, close up, baby. You know you.
Oh, very big teeth.
Hey, I want to see my face.
Do you wanna see your face? Okay.
Hi. Oh, move. It's too. Okay. Here's your twin sister. I hope that this video brought you joy, happiness. What else?
Hindi tayo para maliwanag.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Pangit ko pala.
Okay. Hi, I love you. I miss you. Hey, say something to your
Hoy,
mom.
ngengot! You know, ngayon ko lang tumaasikaso because I had my MA units at PNU. That's why I'm very busy. When you are requesting your video, yes, I'm very busy. I cannot
Wait,
afford
I'm gonna.
Do it in the YouTube.
Wait, I'll kiss him. Mm.
Ew. Again.
It's a sweet kiss. you
Again.
know. Mm.
Ew. A big kiss.
Mm.
Yee.
Hey, nice angle.
We're do not
Or do not
We're
what?
do not.
Oh my
We're not like
God.
twins, you know. You're ugly.
No. Even I'm
Okay,
fat.
say goodbye to your brother.
Okay.
To your favorite
I hope
brother, because
you're-
he's only one, so he's our favorite.
Hope you're okay there. Every night I pray to God that you'll be safe there.
Oh, Oracan.
I'm silicone.
Oh,
I'm silicone,
much better.
baby.
Good quality.
Wait,
Silicone.
seriously. Hope that you're okay there. And always think that we love you very much.
Oh my gosh.
And just think of me and then you'll be happy. Right?
Think of me. Think of me down.
Wait, I'm gonna sing you a song. Your favorite song. Wait. No, think, no, no, what's your favorite song ba?
Ngengot, ngengot, nget, ngengot, ngengot, nget, ngengot, ngengot, ngengot. Filipino! Filipino! And the other one. Ella, nge, nge, nge. That's his favorite song, brought to you by...
Wait. I wanna see my hair falling down.
It's like Hatton. London Bridge is falling down.
Okay.
Oh, you look like which? I'll say goodbye to your brother.
Okay. Seriously speaking, forgive me, brother, because I can't speak Tagalog right now. I have amnesia in Tagalog, eh.
Really?
Sorry for that. But I hope you would understand everything I said to you. Okay, just take care of yourself and don't forget your lappy. Please give it to me. And my flash drive and give me money, okay? You.
Nah, I'm not. I have nothing to say. Just goodbye. Oh my gosh. Oh, maganda ka dyan, oh.
Remember my name,
Bang!
I'm gonna live forever.
Bang!
Baby, remember my...
Bang! Patay moy palaboy. Bang! Ew. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, bye. See
Kiss
you.
mo na, kiss.
Rock on.